Welcome to Beautyistic. Do you ever find it tricky to properly clean between your teeth, especially if flossing isn't cutting it? Well, today we're taking a close look at the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, moderate interdental brushes. If you're someone who wants an easy and effective alternative to floss, these interdental brushes might just be the game changer you've been looking for. But is it really as great as it sounds? Let's dive into it. Now, before we get into the details, if you're enjoying our content and want to see more honest reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out. So let's break it down. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are designed to help with interdental cleaning, or in simpler terms, cleaning between your teeth. These brushes have soft bristles that slide easily between teeth, effectively cleaning areas that your regular toothbrush just can't reach. The moderate version is crafted specifically for people with moderate spaces between their teeth. So, if you don't have tightly spaced teeth, this one should fit the bill. Each brush comes with a protective travel cap, and the bristles are treated with a hygienic solution, which makes them reusable for up to 10 days. If you wear braces or other dental appliances, this brush is particularly helpful because it has nylon-coated wire, which cleans around fixtures and implants without causing scratches or discomfort. I was curious to see how well these brushes would fit into my routine. I've been using them for a couple of weeks now, and let me tell you, they've become a staple in my oral care. The bristles are gentle, yet effective, and the compact design makes it super easy to carry them around. I can toss them in my bag and know they'll be ready whenever I need them. I've even used them after a meal when I don't have time for a full floss session, and it definitely gets the job done. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: effective cleaning. These brushes really do reach places that floss misses, and they remove plaque quickly and thoroughly. Compact and travel-friendly. Perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're traveling or just heading out for the day, you can easily pop it into your purse. Reusable. I appreciate that these brushes can be used for up to 10 days. The protective cap is also a nice touch for hygiene. Great for braces. If you wear braces or other dental appliances, these brushes are a lifesaver. Cons: moderate size only. While this is perfect for people with moderate gaps between their teeth, it may not work for those with very tight or very wide spaces. They do have different sizes, but it's something to consider. Durability. While they're reusable for up to 10 days, after that, the bristles start to lose their effectiveness. Some might find they need to replace them more often than they'd like. As for value for money, I think these brushes provide solid performance for what they cost. They're priced higher than standard floss picks, but when you factor in the reusability and the more effective cleaning, they're definitely worth considering if you want a more thorough clean. The moderate version is priced reasonably, and with how well it works, I think it justifies the cost. In terms of comparisons, there are other brands that offer interdental brushes, but I haven't found one that's as compact and hygienic as this. Many others can be bulky or less comfortable to use, but GUM has really nailed the design. Build quality is great, the brushes feel sturdy, and the travel caps fit securely, so there's no worry about them getting dirty or bent in your bag. The longevity of the product is also impressive. Given the reusable feature, I didn't feel like I had to keep replacing them often, which is always a plus. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had to reach out to customer support for this product, but based on GUM's reputation for quality products and customer care, I'd feel confident that if there were any issues, they'd handle it well. If you're looking for affordable alternatives, there are some basic floss picks that are cheaper, but they don't offer the same level of cleaning. If you're serious about interdental care and have a few extra dollars to spend, I'd say these are definitely worth it. To wrap it up, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are a solid option for anyone who wants an alternative to traditional flossing. They're especially helpful for people with moderate gaps between their teeth or those who wear braces or dental appliances. It's convenient, easy to use, and gets the job done, making it a worthy addition to your oral care routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.